सुख करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची पूर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर ओटी शेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव.
Let us welcome the newest member of Demech chemical family. Mechanical Maintenance Aerosols. DCP-1001 pen oil for opening rusted and frozen nut bolts and assemblies within minutes. DCP-1002 7 for removing flash rusting from metallic components and prevent re-rusting for a period of 6 to 12 months. DCP-1003 belt protect prevents belt failure due to slippage, works on all types of belts. DCP-1008 bearing cleaner, oily bearings, valve seats, shaft seals and general purpose cleaner for removing oil, grease, carbon, moisture and dust from metal surfaces in a few minutes. DCP-1009 anti-spatter, silicone, prevents the adhesion of weld spatter on metal surfaces. DCP-1015 DP Kit Cleaner, part of a 3-product system for non-destructive testing, solvent cleaner, removes and drains away oil and grease. DCP-1016 DP Kit Penetrant, part of a 3-product system for non-destructive testing. Both ferrous and non-ferrous metals can be tested for flaws. DCP-1017 DP Kit Developer, part of a 3-product system for non-destructive testing. It creates a highly visible contrast between red DCP-2016 and white color of DCP-2017. DCP-1018 Cold Galvanizing Compound, best in class, zinc-based primer meets or surpasses US mil specs. DCP-1019 Bright Galvanize, in situ galvanizing of steel part. Product has a combination of plus 99% pure zinc and proprietary metals. Electrical Maintenance Aerosols. DCP-2001 Safety Solvent, CO2 Non-Flammable Offline, Online Electrical Cleaner. DCP-2002 Electrical Cleaner, Plastic Safe CO2 Offline Plastic Safe Electrical Cleaner for removing dust, carbon, moisture, oil etc. DCP-2004 Carbon Cleaner, CO2 Carbon and Carbonaceous Deposit Remover, very effective on flashed and burnt electrical components. DCP-2005 Insulating Varnish, Class F, Air Curing Spray Varnish, restores IR value within hours. DCP-2088 Electrical Moisture Displacer, Electrical 88 forms a moisture displacing, hydrophobic, microfilm which reduces chances of current leakages and short circuiting. DCP-2006 Battery Terminal Cleaner, customized battery terminal, clamp, cables and battery surface cleaning solution. DCP-2007 Battery Terminal Coating, coating for battery terminals to prevent sulfation. DCP-2008 anti-track coating, air curing insulating varnish, thermal class H varnish which can withstand high temperature more than 180 degrees Celsius. DCP-2026 electrical moisture protect, 226 cleaner cum protector for electrical gadgets and equipment. Residual durable microfilm prevents surface moisture. Electronic maintenance aerosols. DCP-3001 ECC electronic component cleaner, CO2 for cleaning dust, moisture, oil, carbon and residual flux from precision electronic components and gadgets. DCP-3003 PCB coating customized for PCB protection. Prevents breakdown due to harsh environment. Lubricant maintenance aerosols. DCP-4001 dripless oil provides dust-proof, hydrophobic lubricating film with no drip, flow or sag and is suitable for low to medium loads and speeds. DCP-4002 white grease, lithium grease, no sag Teflon based formula. It is a multi-purpose, high temperature, long-lasting lubricant. DCP-4003 Moly chain lube molybdenum disulfide based lubricant for high speeds, high temperatures and high loads. DCP-4004 wire rope lube. It can be used to lubricate all sizes of wire rope as well as chains, leaf springs and other applications where a penetrating oil is needed. Anti-Seize maintenance aerosols. DCP-6001 copper anti-seize. It protects threaded fasteners and fittings from heat, freezing, seizure or galling at temperatures from -35 degrees Celsius to 1148 degrees Celsius.
With renewed strength and vigor, Demech Chemical is all set to go above and beyond